Hey. Oh hey, hey Scribble, how's it going? I should probably turn this up a little bit. Probably a little bit. Maybe just turn my desktop audio down a sec. Well, we'll be like there. I'm trying to be a little. Don't put your headphones on max volume. I'm turning myself down, just so you don't. It's gonna happen. Do you see that? Do you see my reminder right here? Sorry, a demon lives on my mic. In my mic, I jump scared. It happened like 4 times last stream, so definitely watch out for that. Please, please be careful. Don't. Yeah, this is a. I like to live life on the hearing damage side. Just put me out loud. Okay, actually, maybe don't put me. No, don't. It's gonna make it worse, and then you're gonna have horrible tinnitus for your whole life. I forgot I had this part up. This was me trying to figure out what the. I'll make myself deaf. No, that's also bad. I was trying to figure out because I got to redo this one problem. I was doing it, and I was like, oh, I'm doing so well. I'm doing so well in doing this. Okay, I'll replace my ears, cyborg ears. That would actually be sick as fuck. There's got to be like a prosthetic ear. Maybe not, because it's like in your head. Like it's not the ear that's fucked up. It's like the drum or whatever. You could probably get. Why isn't medicine advanced to the point where we can have cyborg ears yet? That's. What am I even doing as an engineer? I was doing this problem and I was like, oh my gosh, I got this, guys. I got this. I'm doing so well. I'm doing so well. I was going along. I was doing my little student T analysis. I was getting my values, and then instantly I watched the video. He was like, no, he's wrong. So, how much money would it take for you to eat a pencil live? I feel like that would hurt me. I feel like that would like legitimately hurt me. And I feel like if I had to go to the hospital, it would have to be at least as much as a hospital bill. But I feel like it also wouldn't taste very good. What if I did something like Germa did, where Germa was like, I'm gonna eat a shoe live, and then he got like one out of fondant. What if I did that? I would do that. Idea, Coda Pro. Oh my god. Okay, I was gonna say, I think that. Hello, Mike? Okay, as soon as I was about to read your comment, that happened. Okay, Coda programs will your stream audio goes above a certain volume. Instead of muting it or turning the volume down, change your avatar to a demon. I have a noise gate on my mic. Like, it has a noise gate. I don't know how it bypasses the OBS noise gate. Like genuinely, it shouldn't fit. Happens so many. This is like the bane of my existence right now. I have a noise gate that says open threshold, closed threshold. I don't. Maybe it's because like. Let me look up how to set. Let me look up this. This is important. What if I just make the attack time like instantaneous? Okay, noise gate. A stream bot that checks hearing volume. But if it was a stream bot, then like it would be there'd be lag. What is, okay, attack time. How long it takes for the mic to go from off to on. Release time. How, okay, release time. Oh my gosh, wait, it's 150 milliseconds? 0 milliseconds. 1 millisecond. Maybe that'll fix it. Have I seen the new Alan Becker animation? No, I have not. I was going to, and then I was like, oh, I gotta... Wait, did I fix it? I don't know. I might have fixed it. I changed my noise gate. My noise gate was at 150 milliseconds. It shouldn't really be that different, because but it's probably not gonna fix it. I've tried so much shit. I've tried so much shit. Okay, what I need to do. Mega M&M. I just need to redo this entire problem, actually. So, why are the M&Ms? Because we have to do a statistical analysis of these M&Ms. Okay, yeah, what we have to do is something different than I wrote. So all this is wrong. Unfortunately. I guess I could just write it down here. I don't need to write it on the... Okay. I'm just gonna say... wrong. It's chocolate, it's not that deep. Oh, but somebody has to say how many M&Ms are gonna be in a... How much chocolate you're gonna get in a bag of M&Ms. Statistically. Because an M&M is not a perfect unit. 0%. It's bugs. You're just eating bugs. X at 99%. I don't love that, but okay, analysis. I usually say my model first. I should probably say my plot first. But it's hard because then it's like you can't see what the model is. Fuck it, Weeball. I'm putting the model first. Okay, so X equals... I wrote it up here. I did the right thing. X bar 28 plus or minus 28 S 28 1 over N 28. Use the right model. I just like goofed it. I goofed it. I freaked it. Although I did the other... Oh, check this out. This was nice. He was like, this problem is so hard. If you guys didn't set it up nicely, it's okay. Look at how beautiful. Look at this. This is awesome. And I did a little matrix. How much chocolate is in an M&M? Well, this many ounces on average. 0.09405. So many sig figs. Well, these are mega M&Ms. Wait. Yeah. What are they doing? Oh, plot. Okay. Oh, plot here. Assumptions. M&M. Mega. I feel like when I don't know, I'm not gonna say that. Okay, never mind. I guess a funny word. Make a factory so good there's no standard deviation. Fuck it. So there's no D. It's just standard. Well, you're just saying have zero uncertainty? I don't think that's possible. I think if you can make a factory that has zero deviation and perfectly manufactures exact same mass of something, you need to get a Nobel Peace Prize. Just get good. Skill issue. Massive poppin' is and Gotta say that as a little disclaimer. Here we go. X bar, min, say. All these factory makers have been chasing efficiency. I've been chasing 0 standard deviation. That would be so incredibly expensive. Like so incredibly expensive. Is the thing. Let's see. So I'm gonna say like X99. 99. So we can kind of see it a little bit better. And this whole thing is 0.9. Okay. Now we have to analyze. So we S28 we have, X bar 28 we have, N28 we have, need E28. All you need is a tool that removes e to the negative 100 grams of mass. I don't know if e to the negative 100 is a number. Wait, why e to the... Oh, 10 to the e? Wait, is that an e? Why is there an e in there? Good. Is negative 40... That's 44. Oh. I was gonna say, that's like negative 44. I don't even know what that is. That's like... The upstairs just dropped something. Okay. T. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna say... we need to find this area. That was a dumb way of drawing it. Alpha equals what? Right, so this is 0.9. So 1 alpha equals also alpha. So 1 minus 0.99 alpha. Alpha equals 0.005. That is a tiny. I was the last customer of a shop to upgrade my drink to a large for free. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, you meant 10 to the negative 100. That's so small. That's so small. Oh my god, that is tiny. And then new equals 28. 7. So T table equals what are we getting? What are we getting? There's actually 28. Oh yeah, I did that wrong. So it's 20. Oh, it's gonna be worse. 2.771. Ooh. I don't have a lot of space left. We don't want preferably infinite material. There's a lot of well, wait, is this for M&Ms or for for like anything else? So I'll just say, like, if you look into lapping, I don't know if you know what that is, but like CPU lapping. People will like take off so little material to like improve performances and stuff. If a piece of dust gets on it, it's ruined. Exactly. That's why, like, I mean, when you get down to like a thousandth of an, or like a tenth of a thousandth of an inch, this is like the smallest tolerance I've seen. I think I had a professor who said, like, there was one guy who he worked with who always put this tolerance on everything, and they called him 2/10, like Jimmy or something. I was like, this is a horrible tolerance to put on everything. It's way too fine. It's caught, like, every time you go up one decimal place, it like costs you like $1,000. Easiest way to get a peace prize from making a really perfect steel cube? Fuck, I don't know. I mean, see, the funny thing about measurement, like, right, because if you made, like, theoretically, if you made a perfect steel cube, how do you prove that it's perfect? Like, you have to measure it, right? But your measurements can only be so precise. So, if you think about it, if you just measure all of your M&Ms with really shitty measurements, then no one can say that they're not precise. Big brain, galaxy brain. That's how we win. Don't do that. Just use precise. Accurate. I guess technically accurate is precise enough. I forgot. 0.094057. 0.094057 plus or minus. It's the exact same thing here. So it's 2771. 0.003949? 3959. I've done this problem too long. You can tell because I started memorizing the shit. Okay, plus 1, 1/2. I have to measure it now. 0.1 times 0.003959. It was interesting because, like, this is, like, so off topic, but I was thinking about, like, teaching stuff today and, like, how to teach stuff effectively. Now I'm, like, really, I'm really, like, hyper aware of it while I'm doing this, and it's, like, kind of good, but it's also kind of weird. Okay. 0.011 minus 0.0111. Whatever. We're just supposed to give like a bajillion sig figs. Wait, is that in ounces or is it in grain? It's ounces. Machine your own peace prize? Exactly. Now we're thinking with portals. That's how you big brain. Who needs a real one? You can just get one. 0.011 minus, we got 3 decimal places. 0.0941. I can get zeros. You found a loophole. I can get. Hey, is the loophole only take one measurement? Only make one time? Yeah. Yeah, that's so real. We talk about that. We talk about that in this class. It's really funny to me. 0.0941. Yeah, if you have one measurement, then it's 0 standard deviation. It's so real. That's so fucking. Well, because we talk about that for because we do like these student or I don't think they're weird that they're called student, but we do these T populations where like basically we have T because our other variable that people have done analysis with is only for really, really large populations that you actually know the population standard deviation of. But most of the time we don't have that, so we use a sample standard deviation, which is like the S that you're talking about. And yeah, you can't have we have to have degrees of freedom as something -1, because if you have only one measurement, you have 0 standard deviation. Okay, I think 0941. Oh wait, did I fuck it up? I did. It should be 94. Okay, I think that's right. And then the other one is actually correct that I did the analysis for. But okay. I mean, I do this. Fine. This is alpha. Alpha equals 1 minus 0.9 equals 0.001. Fuck, 1. Why does my mic mute sometimes? I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's the same reason why a demon lives in my mic. I sent all the links to my full setup in the Discord. Yeah, if you want to. I just don't like make it like a giant spammy wall if you can. Like if you can remove embeds, that would be great. E equals, what did I say? 2 point. Yeah, I was so confused when I was doing this problem because I was like, I have the same t value because it's 99%, but it's not actually the same because this one is like greater than or equal to. I don't know if that's right, but we'll just fine. But okay, I am just gonna skip to this. Oh, I just took psychic damage seeing this one. I remembered somebody talking about it. Ugh, okay. Because somebody said they got a negative value for their initial velocity. I was like, bro, what the fuck? Okay. You're watching a golf tournament, and someone asks how fast the ball is moving after it is struck. You derive the following equation for horizontal distance the ball travels. Determine the initial velocity and its uncertainty. Use only a method we discussed in class. Alright. We care about... Ooh, and its uncertainty. Ugh. Oh no, okay, this is a long-ass problem. Part B is just, like, chilling. I did Part B, which I'm so mad, because I did it pretty well, and he took a point off still, but I'm normal. So we need to solve for the value we want. So, want. We want BO. Okay, analysis. Say EQ is R equals O squared over G. Oh, and he gives us an uncertainty on the dang little... Sorry. I'm normal, I swear. 9... Okay. V. So VO, solve for once. I would rather my mic turn off randomly than like jump scare you guys with demon static. So over sine to not theta. Is that right? The velocity, so I'm gonna have a direction, but oops. VO. Oh, my tablet is goofing, but that's because it's old. But I really like this tablet. I don't want to give it up. When the stats final is one question on deriving a formula for variance of octuple squared distribution, 10 points. Oh my god, I would cry. This is like not real. I feel like in the same way that like when I eventually do a lecture on like trig in engineering, or like how to learn like what you should learn for trig for engineering, or how to think of trig in engineering, this is very much the same thing where it's like we're not doing real stuff. This is not impressive things. This is very baby easy stuff. But it's like, it's just the baby easy stuff that you're gonna use on like every single report you write. So. Okay, tell you. Cookie Monster. I don't know how to draw Cookie Monster actually. Does he look like this? I feel like that's Cookie Monster. Yeah, I gotta be serious. I gotta be real. Never be serious, actually. Oh, and we have to, okay, so in feet per second. We want feet per second. So 200 yards. I need some more space. Get rid of that. Yard. 1 yard. 3 feet. Times gravity, they give in feet per second squared. 32 feet per second squared. Over 9 of a value, and our units will be all nice. Is that 40 in radian? That's in degrees. Okay. Sine of okay, 136. 139. Feet per second. Okay, we got our units down. Now, okay. Who's ready for partials? Who's ready for everybody's favorite partials? Uncertainty. Refined uncertainty. Method. And prop. But, you know, the second half of every word doesn't need to exist. You are roughly equal to... Alright, what have we got in? We've got uncertainty on that, uncertainty on only 2 things. So... Oh, wait. Oh, it's on... Okay, on gravity. Cool. We got the insert, so... dVO over d... r times... plus dVO over d times the uncertainty. Alright, partials, dVO, dr. Let's take a look. Oh, it's to the half. It's to the half. That is gonna be so fun and so fresh and so exciting. I don't want to blow anything up at all. Okay, so RG over sine 2 theta, -1, then times the inside stuff, so that'll be sine 2. I know my partials. I'm something of a derivative master. That's all. I like how I have to do my redeems manually. Ideally, I want to make it so I don't have to do them manually. That's a problem for debut 2, Amy. Solved. When I get home. Isn't there integration for that though? Yeah, there definitely is. I just have not set it up. There is a thing that I have, but like I have to have it open, or I have to like have it be a pass through, and I don't really want to do that. I would rather just have it like be a thing that I can like do. Oh, I need the uncertainty on phi. Are you kidding? Okay, so if it's the uncertainty on phi, it's gonna be this is already to the -1, so this will be -1/2 to the RG over sine -3/2 times oh boy, the derivative of the inside is going to be RG times over, I think there's another negative one. No, what am I talking about? RG over like cosine. Cosine 2 phi times 2. Woof. Woof. Okay. I need to calculate these values. Multiplying them is not going to do me any good, so we're just going to... Let me see. I'll check that in one sec. Let me see if it's too skinny. Probably not. Oh yeah, that's fine. I'll check them out. Let me finish this little print first. Okay, so 240.32. Oh boy. Oh, unit conversions. Over sine of 8. Negative 1/2 times 32 per second squared divided by we're doing on units. So we'll have oh, we should be okay, because I think the units will be good with when we do the uncertainty. We're gonna get, let's see, over there we're gonna get feet squared, so feet per second, and with our uncertainty, is uncertainty in R. Oh, that doesn't cancel out. Oh, wait, well, this is negative 1/2. It should be fine. It should be fine. We might need to convert. I think we're gonna have to convert the uncertainty in R into, but did you fix the mic? You promised a demon endurer badge or something like that? How would you even make that? Well, Twitch does have badges. I actually don't know if I can do them, is the only thing. If I can do them, I'll do one. Or I'll just, like, give you guys a role on the Discord. If you want one. Guard... Oh, well, no. Oh boy, this is gonna be, like, a clusterfuck of units. Ours was easier. 100 yards. I think I need to convert R pretty much everywhere. Channel badges? Channel badges are for like subs though, right? Or am I like thinking of something else? Yeah, there's like a, let me see, Twitch badges? Chat badges, subscriber badges, wait, like... There's a way to do it. Wait, let me see. Germa did. There's like viewer event badges, which I don't know. There's something like that. Global badges? No. There's something for Twitch viewer. I don't know. It's something I'll have to look into. I probably don't have it, but like, maybe they don't. If not, I'll just give you guys a roll on this. Anyway, yeah. I do want to give people who endured the demon Damie era, a thing, because I don't think, did it used to have flash? No, because I didn't really use, or no, I did. I need to put these values in here. I'll put them. Time to evaluate this. Okay. 200. Okay, wait, I have that already done. I have that whole thing already. This. The -1. Or 0.5, I guess. This. 0.5 times 32. Okay. Us demon endurers unite. You guys are so strong. Oh god, the units. I'm gonna not worry about the units. Let's see, that's the same number there. Oh wait, this is 3 halves. -1.5. Demon or Slayer or something. Demons when they slay or something. I don't know. I didn't watch Demon Slayer. Sure, I did not watch Demon Slayer. Also funny, goofy meme. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. This is good because this makes sense. One of these is way smaller than the other, which is good. We like that. So you. Oh. He really gave these guys like a very challenging problem here. I need to convert this to feet for surezies, so 20. Because I've been converting everything to feet, so... Unless I didn't need to, and then I'm gonna cry. And then we gotta convert that to radiance as well. This is such a nasty little, tricky little move that he did. Maybe my mic turns off. Recognizes the... Maybe that's the noise gate. Maybe that's why it's turning off. Again, I'd much rather have it turn off than blast you guys with static. We need to do 360 degrees to high rate. And then we're chilling. Squared 1/2 equals, and then on the next line, I need to write these values out. for our comparative analysis, which is going to be 6.9. Nice. 6.9. in per second. Units always do work out on me if you do them correctly. Now, am I doing them correctly? Who knows? But we're going to 10. Oh god, 0.00132. Okay. Clearly one of these is more important than the other. And then this, actually approximate. Or this, like 7. 6.9. 9. 7.0? Oh no. The full value is 140. That is the full answer. My new setup, no PC or monitor or dongles, costs a good 600 pounds. I have no clue how much that is in USD. Let me see. But like, if you're gonna use it for a long time and you're gonna be using it for everything, like for me, my shit was so worth it. Let me see. Oh, 7. That's like normal. Okay. This is yeah, are you like are you planning on like, oh, chair and desk included? Honestly, desk is like, is it IKEA? Like, oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, it's a standing desk. Random Amazon. Pretty desk is pretty good. Like desk is like, I'm not gonna say, I'm gonna just answer them, by the way, out loud. I'll answer. Then random Amazon, that's pretty nice. It's pretty good. Are you planning on, I don't remember if you said you were planning on like making content or like streaming or, oh, if you're getting a mic then. Or I'm building I'm not a gamer, but I do occasionally play games within my productive scope kind of vibe. Yeah, that is very much me. I feel bad because my best friend wants to play games and I'm like, I'm sorry, I can't. I have to focus on engineering. I don't have brain space. I can only play like one round of Tetris or Suika game. Oh, so like no black items. Like, oh, color. Yeah, for my... Don't worry, I understand, Damie. I wanna play Overbreak. Okay. I think once I re-debut, I'm gonna get my roommates play Lethal Company, maybe on stream. And that would be really fun. They really want me to play it. But other than that, I don't, and I wanna play Deep Rock. But I have like shall I invite you to the Lethal List of Company? Yeah, I would be down to play. I also really want to play FNAF. I want to play like FNAF Cracks. Because the thing is, like, the new game is coming out in like 4 days. Wait, fuck, 5 days. The 14th. And like, I'm just like thinking about it. But I'm like not a good gamer, but like it might be funny. I don't know. I might play it like with some friends, like with some Starfy, Slammer, Rev. Oh, Rev would be probably definitely. Okay, so that's done. that. Okay, what is on my to-do list? Let me see. Plan. Midterm. That one I don't need to do. If you get more, then you should go to you get the bigger lobby mod, then we can fit everyone up to 32 people. Holy shit. I think I'm gonna keep it small for like the beginning, because I don't know how. I don't know if I have that many people. I think it's gonna be me. I'm probably gonna play with like if I play with you, I'm probably gonna play with like you and some like other like viewers if you want to play. But for like my roommates and friends and stuff, I'm just gonna play with them. But like, there are like 3 different people who have asked me to play, and I'm like, I can't play with all of you, like all 3 groups of people together. So I might just be streaming it. What is Lethal Company? It's like a horror game. It's like kind of goofy. I don't know that much about it. I mean, and that's what I've heard is like a good thing. To, like, not know that much about it. But yeah, it's like a horror game. But I really want to play more Deep Rock. Deep Rock is really fun. I want to get better at it. 3 recommended channels are playing it. Yeah, it's like, but that's like Twitch. Like, there's, if people start playing Suika Game, everybody's playing Suika Game. Oh, people start playing Lethal Company, everybody's playing Lethal Company. It's been like that for like ever. The vanilla experience is like 4 people maximum. Yeah, that'd be perfect. That's like the most max people I can like handle. I could play it. I could invite all 3 of my roommates. I don't know if my 3rd roommate would want it, but I would invite him. I could probably get somebody else. I could probably get somebody else from my school. I think there are 2 people I have in mind. Would be fun. Arabic text looks easy to read. Whoa, that's out of nowhere. I feel like Arabic looks a little hard to read, but that's because I'm used to Chinese where all of the characters are very distinct. But I just don't know the patterns for Arabic. Okay, I need to get this homework. I'm gonna just jump in and try it. Okay, I'm gonna do the book ones first. The most out-of-pocket thing I found is out-of-pocket thing. Ugh. Okay. Proceed with caution. Hear me out. Oh no. Chocolate. Flavored water. I bet that exists. Chocolate water. You can manually put in how many people you want in the Lethal Company. Bigger lobby. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Chocolate de agua. Hot chocolate. Well, it's like hot chocolate. I mean, I've made like hot chocolate with water, so like it just depends on how much water to chocolate ratio, I feel like. Okay. Let's do this. Let's start with this easy one. A little. I need to pull up my equation. Chapter 7, which is what I'm gonna study right now, is you can just buy chocolate oil extract for the flavor, put a little of that into water. It's true. Would it be good? Debatable. I don't know how good it would be. That's appendix. Okay, great. Alright. Oh, this hurts me. Okay, using least squares regression, fit a straight line to the data. Use equation 7.6. So that means that we need to calculate A0 and A1, I believe. I think it probably be gross. Yeah. Okay, this is like scary. Looking at this is scary. Okay, maybe not as scary. Let me write down the equation. Okay, 7.6. I can write down that equation. Let me go hunting for it. I think I know what it is. I want to check something. I have not practiced regression. Actually doing the physical stuff with it. Because it's scary. Boy. That's ooh. Okay, yeah. So A0. Okay, A0 equals sum of xi, sum of xy, yi, minus sum of xi squared, sum of yi. Okay, so far this is not too scary, as I'm writing it out. Xi squared minus n times sum of xi. Okay. So, let's do it in Excel. Let's have a little Excel fun time. Ooh. My mouse just died, that's... Let's see where it is. Where's my... Over here. Why is it so cropped like that? Oh, it's because... There we go. Alright. And for everybody's favorite data entry. $41.70. Okay. Okay, so we need some various things. We need the sum of x. So I'll and wrong thing. That should be there we go. Okay. Between the sum of x, so we're just yes, okay. Do the sums of x and y. And we need the sum of x, we need to plot x, we need x squared and y squared, I think. We do not need y squared, but we need xi, yi. And we need the sum of them. Going fairly. I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay, so we have all those. We just need to do sum of x squared. This is sum squared. Cool. So let me move this back over. I just punch the mic. Okay, so sum of xi is 49. 49 times sum of x 10,437 minus sum of x squared 609 times y 800 divided by 041 minus, we have 4 data points times xi, sum of x. Yeah, so that's the 60. All right, let's see. What do we get? I'm very interested. So this is going to be our intercept. Okay, 2041 minus. Ooh, it's a negative number. The slope is negative 60. Or not slope. It's the intercept is negative 60.6. And then hype mathing music. So true. A1 equals sum of xi, sum of yi, and sum. Well, this isn't too scary. I thought this was going to be a lot scarier. I saw this and I was like, oh, I need so many numbers. Oh, look at this. This is like so chill. Like all these numbers are all even ones that I like, that I have before. I already calculated. All right, go poggers. All right, sum of xi 49. Statistics is so chill sometimes, and then sometimes it's really not, but like this, it's like putting in numbers, just doing some, getting our hands dirty. And then it's just smashing numbers into a calculator for a long time, but happy. Ooh, so this is a positive trend, which makes sense. And our slope is 70.2. Alright. That y-intercept doesn't look correct. It doesn't. Yeah, that would make sense. Let's see. Is there negative? Yeah. Yeah, it probably shouldn't be that, huh? Let's see. The 201 minus. Yeah, that's still a negative number. Maybe the top should be a negative number too. Okay, I'll re-chunk it in. Maybe I goofed it. So. No, it's still giving me that same thing. Okay, let me check my values then. Well, so from 170, 40, that's 130. So 130, 40. I don't know, it might be correct. Might be correct. Because A0 is our y-intercept and our slope. Let's see. Let me plot it on Excel. So we'll just do... Wise, or known wise. Okay, 70, we got that one. I'm hoping it's right, because I don't know what to do if it's not right. Whoa! Very not right. Negative 600. Hello? Oh, no, yeah, that makes sense. Wait. What am I doing? 49. Why that of x squared is y I 100 squared is negative 666. Is the Mike demon trying to say something? Yeah, he's trying to get through in my stats homework. Huh, why? Yeah, that's wacky. Did I just divide it wrong? Lol. Oh, what the heck? Mike Demon is my stat. That's actually fairly accurate. Except, yeah. No, that's accurate. Oh. The formula you're using seems rather large for this. So the one that we use is based off of, so it's the residuals, and we basically just take the, it's large for a linear regression, but it's because you can do any sort of regression with this, Y-intercept equals Y-bar, make a custom icon for channel points. Yeah, I do want to do that, actually. Oops, I copied that. Damn it. We use this, because it's like we, use the form of it so that you can do any, order curve fit with the partials. And we just solve for that with a linear one. So our equations for it are these. But let's see, I might be goofing. These are the equations for it. Let's see, did I copy it wrong? No. Check that, like, why I 9. Regular show noise. That's so weird. This looks right for this tag. Let me see if I like actually make this a formula quick. If I can kind of check. So let's see, sum of x times what are these? Minus this. Big head is yi. If it gives me the right thing, then like we're chilling. But if not, then I'm also confused. There. And then minus 4 plus. Whoa, that is a very different number. That is also not the intercept. Wait, let me show you. To be fair, I didn't do our regression analysis on the latest thing that we were. Alright, let's. 8. 8. YI n times this. Oh no, I'm reading the wrong one. It could be that no, because I was gonna say, oh, it's x sub c of I, but like we don't have that. We don't have a regression at all. Yeah, that one. 8. But it's weird because it worked for the slope, but not for the. Is there one that's present in the slope that's not present in the interval? Let's see. No, all the same values are there. This is fascinating. 9 minus 8. Yeah, that's right. 9. Okay, also, I mean, it could just be like this stuff. Who knows? That could be Excel's properties stuff. No, that's still right. What the heck is up? What the heck? Well, clearly the intercept isn't right. But why this least squared way is not working is confusing. I'm gonna be real, it should literally just be like plugging in the stuff. Unless like maybe this formula is like incorrectly b squared, b4 squared, b5, 3, c3. Eight. Wait, b, yeah, b. So odd. I don't know. I'm flummoxed. Oh, I can just see what he did. Let's see what he did. Let's see. Because he should hopefully have put these in one's annotate. The homework, that might be the first pack. Yeah, there we go. That's derivation. Woof. Y minus y sub c. Wait a second. He has the exact same numbers as this, but like, now that I've done this here, and I've done it on Excel, I've gotten 2 different values. What? He's 20... He's 241, not 49 squared? Wait, what the fuck? Wait, 49 squared? No, 2, yeah. Oh, 2401. Oh, the dyslexia. I see. I see now. I see. that is the issue. It's one of the issues. I mean, who knows? Let's see. I'm still gonna be very confused if this doesn't work. Maybe I should check my other values to see if I also had them in the wrong order. 104. No, that's so funny though. The dyslexia. Ugh. God. Oh, that banging noise. 609.6. minus? Yeah, that's what it was. Because I was getting, because it was smaller, I was getting a value that was... Wait. I do this. Oh no, I lost my thread. 100. Okay, this one. This one is also going to be wrong. Yeah, that's also... What? What is happening? 49 squared. This minus 4 times... Oh, 9. Negative 36. Oh, what am I doing? Why did I subtract it again? Oh my god. It's struggle bus. It's struggle bus. Okay, we're getting there. Divided by this is negative 666. We did it. We did it, gamers. Calculation error. This negative 6. So I was off by like a factor of 10. 666. Okay, that's not that bad though. That's just numbers, putting them into places. Okay. All right. Whew. Losing hope a little bit there. I was like, damn. Good to know that my eyes are just failing. Or my brain. Or both. Okay, that was at least fits, at least... Okay, we can calculate the correlation coefficient and the r-squared value. Oh, we can. Oh boy. It sucks though. Okay, more Excel time. Let's do it once. Let's do one. Okay, so we have this thing. So now we need to say that. We say x sub c. No. Y sub c. Is gonna equal through experimental procedures, we've found out that changing the attack on my mic did not fix the problem. What else can we try? Let's see. Hey, what can I... You know what? What about... Okay, I'm gonna turn off my noise canceling plugin. Okay, I've turned off my noise canceling plugin. I don't know how like much worse it probably doesn't sound that much. Hopefully it doesn't sound that much worse. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's my noise canceling plugin. Maybe it's like corrupted or something. I mean, I doubt it. I really doubt it. But maybe it is. I'm gonna turn that off. Does it sound a lot worse? You're like my computer fan or anything. I can turn up my gain a little bit. If it's that, I'll be happy, because then it's like not a mic issue. But then, well, then I'm also a little sad, because... Okay. So y sub c's, we need, for The R, we need x minus x bar. So we need x bar. X bar. Average. I don't need to do this, but whatever. We need x minus x bar. And the sum of those. So equals x minus bar. I'm just gonna copy this. I wish there was a way to tell it, like, don't change this cell in this formula, but we need the sum. Hello? 0? Okay. That means our R value is 0. Let me just check to see if that's right. That feels wrong. Did I just shout you out, or is my chat not updated? Your chat is not updated. That is not the little r value. Is not the little r value. Wait, what's up? Wait, the little r value is this one. Wait. I scroll all. No, I don't need to do that. But why is my x bar being weird? This one, the correlation coefficient. I know, it's probably not, like, it shouldn't be 0, but, like, this is the thing we need. Some of... Wait, what? Oh, I don't need the sum of this, I need the sum of the other thing. I need the y minus y... y minus y bar. Oh, whoops. Sum. Yeah. Oh, average. Whoops, not sum. Yeah. Okay, and then we multiply these together, and then we take the sum of that. Okay. I'm learning. I'm getting there. Wait, but so on the bottom though, then, like, wait, I'll move this over. Like here, wouldn't this be 0? X minus x bar squared? No. Yes? No? No. No, because if I sum this, it's 0. I don't know about that one. I don't know what's going on. Well, we'll fix it. We'll fix it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. We'll get there. It's just a little sky. It's just a little. What's a Damie stream without a little sky? Okay. What if I sum these? Is it also gonna be 0? Okay. That makes sense. Let me think about that. The sum of the sum of the residuals. Sum of x minus x bar squared will only be 0 if all of the x values are the same. Wait a second. Wait a second. Okay, there's like, because I was wondering if there was just like not a lot. I mean, because there's not a lot of. They're not super correlated, right? Or are they very highly correlated? I forget. Because I know that if it's 0, then like they're not correlated. But in this case, it's like x isn't changing a lot, but y is changing a lot. No, that means they're highly correlated. These are highly correlated. Sum of x bar, x minus x bar squared. Wait, but so is it not sum of like? Oh, God. It's x minus x bar. Yeah. X bar quantity squared. That's what I was gonna say. Like the quantity, and then the sum, not sum of x minus x bar quantity squared. It's sum of, or like x bar minus x minus x bar squared, like sum. Ugh. Okay, that's growing pains. This, and then the sum. There we go, okay. And then y minus y bar squared. Oops. Squared. There we go. Okay, so I think I have everything. Sum of... No, I don't. I need x... Oh, big stretch. I need x minus x bar times y minus y bar. That's... Yes, that is the right value there. Okay. This and some of these. Okay, so R equals R equals this divided by this times this to the 0.5? What do you say, 0.9? Yes, let's go! Same value, same hat. Okay, yeah, they're very highly correlated. And the r squared value is the other one, which might be also... Okay, it's a little, I can see what we need. Let's see, so y of x1, so that's yc. Wait, y? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I know I can just square the r value I got, but like if it wasn't a line, then I should do this. But is it y times x1? No. That's y of xi, so that's just y. Is it not? Yeah. So y of the sum of, so 800. Oh, but it's not that, it's this. It's the residuals squared over... Okay. I need some more stuff, I guess. This will be y minus yc equals this minus, and then we'll have to square it. Okay, I'll just do that. Y minus yc squared. And then the sum. Okay. This. I mean, he can't really give us Wait, squared or yeah, squared. You can't really give us that much hard stuff with this because it's like it'll probably be more like interpreting graphs. It's like you have to. Oh, I've run off the sheet, haven't I? I'll zoom out a little bit. Can't really do this without just giving us like a billion tables. You know? What do I need? I need y minus y bar squared. Okay. So equals y minus y bar squared. Cool. Huh? What? Did I do y? No, that's supposed to be y. 1 minus this divided by this. And then if I square this, it'd be the same. He's not the same. Oh boy, let's see. Okay, well I can see where he does it. Or he might just not reg route, but that's okay. Seven, 4 over 48. Okay, I definitely defined this wrong. Y minus y bar. Oh. Because I just... y minus y bar is right here. Lol. Okay, get rid of this. So we just need to do this. Bird. There we go. Same value. Nice. Okay. We've... With... Okay, I think that's pretty much all of the possible things you could ask. Wait, what is the other thing that he asked? He asked for another thing. All of the possible things, quote unquote. Except that it's not all possible things. Compare, okay, yeah, to those found using Excel's trendline function. Yep. For the data, estimate the true mean value, single value of y. Ah, yes. Okay, this one, we gotta go back to writing true mean value. And the single value of y at x12 for 90% confidence. Right. Shifting around in my chair. Okay. Pop back over here. Alright, the true that we need at x equals 12. Want. Y at x equals 12. 90% confidence. I'll save that. This will be... okay. So the true mean value and a single value of y. So that's using our... The true mean value is going to be like x bar, I want to say. Oh, no, mu of xy. And then the true val, or the... Check Discord? What's up at Discord? Where are stairs? Oh god. Look at this. Okay. This is... I must be a robot. Where are the stairs? I think there are no stairs. I think that's the answer. Oh my god. Is that stairs? Like, no, that's like a... Wait, like, no, but it's like select one and then like deselect it. Just get it wrong and it'll give you another one. That's what I'm thinking. You have to select one? Oh, that's weird. It's a Mew. You want Mew at x equals 12, so that'll be just... Whoa. Mew, y, c, so... equals... T, SYX, oh god, we need to calculate SYX as well. Regression is just so... how do I put it? Grunt worky? Like, I mean, it's really useful to know how it works, but doing this by hand is a little, I mean, it really is just a spreadsheet thing, you know? Okay, well, what do we need? A lot of things we need. Let me plot. Okay, so this is y, some c at 12. It's like mu max, mu min. And this is 90. And 0.90% confidence. So we're gonna be using alpha and stuff. So we have y, c, 12. We have n. We have x minus x bar. Or we can get x minus x bar. Or we have x bar, we have this thing. Need t, syx. The t. Alpha equals what? This. Also, alpha. Or let me say this. Also alpha, isim. Alpha equals what? So 0.9 minus 2 alpha equals 1. .5. I think, yeah, 5%. Okay, so this is going to be degrees of freedom, so we have 4 minus 2. Oh boy. This is going to be a very large... uncertainty. Let's see. Alright, degrees of freedom 2. It's 0.5%. 2.920. Okay, so not actually that much bigger. But not great still. I need to go turn a light on one sec. Okay, now we need S of x, which is another formula! There's so many formulas. Where is it? No, it's so large. How's the studying? Is it stats? Yeah. It's okay. It's just the grind set of regression analysis. Find standard deviation of the trend line. S, Y, X. I gotta go now? See ya. Have a nice night. Thanks for hanging out. Minus YC. Wait, sorry, this should just be Y. These are the residuals squared. Yes, the stats squared and then over. I think I have this as well. So this is Y minus, yeah, Y bar. 1/2? No. I started reading the wrong thing. That is not correct. It's new down here. 1/2. Okay, so new equals, or I'll just say subspace. Okay, Excel time again. What is that? Y minus Y sub C squared sum is the 764 over 2. Okay, that's not actually that bad. Acting like it's pulling teeth for dividing two numbers. Not true. Square root of this. 19.55. Then we just have to plug all this stuff in. He said. As if that was the simplest thing. Okay, y sub c at 12 is gonna be... I'm gonna plug that, I'm gonna make another thing in the little thing. Y sub c of 12. This. Oops, I didn't put an equal sign. 182. Point 3252 plus or minus p value to none. Oh, times 1/4 plus x minus x bar. I'm a mechanical engineering major. Yes, that is me. Although I think I'm going to try and do a math minor if I can manage to get into the classes, because some of the classes are really hard to get into. I can't even get into my... How often do you think you come up with a good idea and somebody's already made it? I'm being honest, a lot of the times not often, because I just come up with such specific ass ideas. There are some ideas that like I come up with to like build, like especially for more like maker-y stuff, that I'm like, oh, I want to do this, and I know somebody's already done it, but like I'm more interested in building it in like a certain aesthetic or like a certain different way, and so that's why I would pursue building it. But in terms of because I don't really design, like it's not really my job to do like the market research on like viable general product like spaces that need to be filled. So, like, for example, for my design class, we made a thing that was, like, completely unnecessary. If I had designed it and I was like, I was trying to solve this problem, I would just make it so wacky that people would be like, why the fuck? Why would you design it? Because I just like designing weird little things. But, there are some ideas that I've had that I've been like, yeah, this would be a great idea, and then it does exist. But then I'm just like, I want to buy it. I think part of being an engineer is kind of being okay with knowing when you should or shouldn't make something, which sounds kind of like morbid, I guess, but yeah, just to be like, I know that this isn't really necessary right now because somebody's already made it. Wait, that's X bar. There, that is not X bar. This is Y. I have one set of lights that I can control with my phone, and I was thinking how I could wish I could turn my regular lamp into a smart lamp. Oh yeah, there are so many home automation ways. Like, you could put a smart plug, you could put a smart bulb, you could put a smart, like, outlet, even. I thought this was unique. Yeah, the thing is, like, all the stuff that I want to, like, design is just, like, like, for example, I was like, I really want to make a tool belt that, like, because I usually keep, I don't really bring, my essentials around in a backpack. I wear, like, a jacket with, like, a lot of pockets, or pants with a lot of pockets, and carry stuff around, but it means that I have to always wear the same jacket, which kind of sucks. So I was like, oh, I want to make sort of, like, a tool belt, or, like, a cool kind of alternative, like, belt that has, like, space for all of the stuff, and it's like, yeah, that's already kind of unique, but I was like, I just want to put, like, a big dragon tail on it. Like, a 3D printed, fully articulated dragon tail, so that when I'm, like, in the shop and I'm, like, working on stuff, then I'm just, like, a dragon, and that would be awesome. And so, I'm like, yeah, that does not exist. Because I just like making really, like, funny, goofy things. Or, like, things that I'm like, oh, that'd be so cool if I was a dragon. Yeah, smart bulbs or, like, home automation stuff is a very... Oh, wait, this is okay, because it's not going to be the thing. I was, like, worried. I was like, this is such a small value. Oh, wait, no. X minus X bar. 12, not 18. Whatever. 12 minus 12.5. There we go. X minus X bar squared. Yes, on that one. It isn't a bad idea, someone just beat me to it. Yeah, and the thing is also, like, I mean, we kind of talk about that, well, in one of my design classes, my only design, we talk about, the idea of, like, when you're presented with a problem space, like, let's say it is, like, something like, okay, I want to, like, turn a lamp into a smart lamp, right? You have, like, you have certain constraints for that, so it's like, okay, well, you need to use this lamp, and, like, maybe you have, like, a cost, and maybe you say, like, oh, I want it to, you know, keep the original lamp intact, or you have some sort of constraints to this, but trying to find different ways, like, divergent, ways to basically solve this process, and say, like, what are all the possible ways that I could solve this? Well, like, there could be a solution that's, like, you know, replace the bulb or, like, plug it into somewhere different, but you could, like, potentially also, like, put a circuit board on the lamp and, like, hook it up to just the lamp, or, you know, like, a lot of other different weird ways of doing that. And so, even if you have an idea and you're like, oh, damn it, somebody's already done it, you could maybe do it better. Like, and that is always the case with engineering. Like, as long as you're, like, aware of the fact that somebody has done it, it doesn't necessarily mean it's off limits, in my mind. A lot of the times, because, especially for, like, DIY stuff, because companies, like when you're working on designs and stuff, a free DIY way to steal business free. Like a lot of the times when you're working at a company, they'll make really like bad constraints, or like depending on the company, like for products that are not super high end, right? Like one of your constraints, you know, would be like very, very cheap, and then you can't really build it that well. So a lot of the solutions you'll find on the market might be like really shitty, and you're like, well, hey, I want to make my own thing, and then it actually is a lot better. But I think it's just you kind of have to be like in touch with how like market spaces exist, I guess. And like not plagiarize. But 2, 3, 2, 5, because we're gonna cut that down a lot. 2, 6.91, 2, 4, 6, so 2, 8. I mean, plus or minus 27. Same number of decimal places, so 8, 2. Oh, yeah. Well, that's because I do big production runs, and then it's like, well, I can't make that. It's like, yeah, you're right, you can make that. But it also just depends on, like, if you are, like, I mean, I know some people who are makers who are, like, just have a ton of, like, random sensors and stuff, like, just lying around that they can, like, use to do stuff with. So yeah, making stuff is kind of scary and kind of cool, but it's like when you're doing a production run, you know, you get to say, okay, well, I have this much cost for each product, but as I make more, the cost is going to go down. But then as a DIYer, it's like I can make it. I'm just making one, so it'll be cheaper, but then the relative price is higher. But trying to play the game between like this and this is very exciting, because like you can do that, especially if this much of the cost is just time, because making yourself time is kind of free. I mean, it's not, but it is in a way. Yeah. Very considerate. Yeah, okay, so it's not my noise canceling then. Which is, I guess, good, because I can put my noise canceling back on. But it's also not good, because I kind of wish that fixed it. Is it the... No, that's the other one. Did I check out that band? I did not. I forgot. Wait, no, actually, wait, what are they called? Yeah? Yeah. I think I have heard them. Ego Death, that's a good song name. Playing God. I'll check it out right after stream. Oh, because I gotta head out and eat. I gotta eat some food. So good. Hell yeah. I don't listen to a lot of new music when I'm in the midst of like finals. So it's always fun to like find new stuff and actually get to listen to stuff during finals, because most of the time I'm just so like out of it, unfortunately. I'm gonna be back tomorrow with final static stuff. Kind of crazy that like exams are like in 2 days. Exams are in 2 days. But good luck. Thank you, thank you. I think I'm gonna be fine. I mean, that's like realistically, a lot of it's like I'm gonna be fine, but this is just kind of like tilling my brain fields. There's a lot of weeds that grew over. I need to do some pruning. Gotta put in your dues. Exactly, yeah. Like spring cleaning, but it's winter and it's finals. Alright, well, we're back tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe I'll try and stream a little earlier. I like streaming earlier if I can, because I'm EP. I'm gonna get back to it. Good luck. Good luck you too, you know? You got this. I believe in you. You seem like you got it. You don't need you don't need luck. I believe in you. Alright. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.